Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I will be sharing with you guys what I use in fading away my stretch mark. You guys, stretch marks are so annoying, especially if you have them on your arms. So today just stay tuned and just see what I did and what I used to fade away the stretch marks. So as you can see here, I still have some large ones here, but some have faded away. You need an aloe vera gel, 100% aloe vera gel. If you don't have the plant, you can get this one in any store. Then coconut oil. The coconut oil works the same as the shea butter, but if you cannot find the original shea butter, you can get coconut oil. You also need a scrub. This one is coffee scrub. I will link the video in the description box so you see how I made this scrub. I also use this scrub all over my body as well. So what you need to do now, you scrub the affected area gently. But if your stretch marks are still large, please don't scrub. Just use the aloe vera gel and just the coconut oil or shea butter. So I'm just exfoliating. So after exfoliating, I'll just wash that off. After you wash that off, you take your aloe vera gel, then apply it on the affected area like so. Then allow it to sit for like 10 to 15 minutes. So the stretch mark needs to be healed before you fade out the scars. That's the reason you need the aloe vera to heal the wound. Then this shea butter or coconut oil is going to gradually fade away the scars. Some people prefer to wash away the aloe vera gel before applying the shea butter, but me, I prefer the aloe vera gel to do its job, sinking to my skin, dry the wound before I apply my shea butter. I hope this video is helpful and I wish to see you guys here again for my next video. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.